We will recognize the gentleman from Florida, Mr. Stubbe.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. The employer correction request notices, or the no-match letters, are letters that were sent from the Social Security Administration to notify employers when their employees' Social Security numbers did not match government records. It was established during the Clinton administration, and in the first few years, approximately 1.7 million workers responded to no-match letters and had their missing wages reinstated, which is a good thing. No-match letters were ended by the Obama administration 1 week after the DACA program begun, which initially required applicants to disclose any Social Security numbers they would have used, essentially admitting to a felony in writing. The Trump administration resumed the practice, sending out 1.6 million letters. Though there was a pause during the early part of the pandemic, these letters included a new attachment on instructions on how to register for and use business services online to view Social Security number mismatches. The Biden administration discontinued the practice again in April of 2021. Not every no-match letter means that there is fraud. When a woman changes her maiden name, for example, and doesn't notify the Social Security Administration, as an example. If someone is unaware of a mismatch and has no opportunity to correct the errors, they would receive no Social Security benefits on account of the reported wages. Again, the Biden administration discontinued this practice, but appears to be relying on the business services online. The website says, "We have discontinued mailing EDCOR letters effective April 2021. We will continue to modernize our systems to make it easier for you to do business with us." Mr. Brune, the website says continue to modernize. What gaps are still in the business service online system, and how accurate is this new system in detecting both fraud and accidental errors?
Congressman, thank you for your question. The accurate collection of wage reports from employers is vital to our program. We work closely with the employer community as well as payroll providers to continuously improve our electronic wage reporting. Our free business services online system includes multiple tools for employers to reduce instances of no matches before, during, and after they submit wage reports. So instead of a letter after the fact, in real time, we're communicating with them after they've registered and authenticated properly. We're sharing with them as quickly as possible where they have inaccuracies that need to be corrected.
Would you be able to provide the committee with statistics on the effectiveness of the program?
We'd be happy to get back to you for the record, yes.
Okay. And what impact has this specifically had on illegal immigration employment?
Well, wage reporting is one of the mechanisms, but that's pretty much after the fact. We also support the Department of Homeland Security on E-Verify, and that allows a verification upfront at the time of request for employment.
So with the no-match letters, with the end of no-match letters, is the Social Security Administration being proactive in contacting American citizens when there are no matches, or is the expectation that the citizens must be proactive in reaching out to you?
Well, as I said, we work closely with the employer and the payroll provider community, and they're responsible for communicating with their employee when a no match occurs, if that's appropriate.
Okay. Is there any value in continuing the use of the no-match letters in addition to the business services online, especially for senior citizens who don't rely on technology?
We think the tools available in the business services online, which are largely used by the business and employer community, are effective because of their timeliness, how quickly they provide a match or a no match, and that allows more immediate action to address the situation.
So in the minute that I have left, how can we improve the Social Security Administration's collaboration with state authorities to ensure that they have the necessary technology to protect against data breaches?
We have many data exchanges with state authorities and continually work to provide verifications that support accuracy of federally administered programs.
So what tools are lacking, in your opinion, from SSA currently to protect American citizens? Is there things that Congress can do to ensure the protection of identity fraud and their Social Security number being fraudulently used that currently isn't available?
Well, Congressman, as you noted in your questions, and Mr. Brown has indicated, technology evolves rapidly. responding to those evolutions in technology requires a continued focus on updating of our system and our policies and procedures. Those updates, obviously require funding to be implemented. I think that our verifications are robust. They cover not only federal use of the SSN, but we have extensive partnerships with state and local entities as well as the business community and the payroll provider community.
My time's expired. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.